Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about Tennessee Williams. Let's get started. Thomas Lanier Williams III, known by his pen name Tennessee Williams, was an American playwright and screenwriter. Williams suddenly became famous with the success of The Glass Menagerie in New York City. It was the first of a string of successes, including A Streetcar Named Desire, Cat on a Hot Tin Roof, Sweet Bird of Youth, and The Night of the Iguana. The Pulitzer Prize for Drama was awarded to A Streetcar Named Desire in 1948 and to Cat on a Hot Tin Roof in 1955. These two plays later were adapted as highly successful films by noted directors Elia Kazan. Throughout his life, Williams remained close to his sister, Rose, who was diagnosed with schizophrenia as a young woman. In 1936, Williams enrolled at Washington University in St. Louis. His family's move to the Central West End in St. Louis when Williams was 7 that set the stage for a career that earned him 2 Pulitzer Prizes for drama. Williams lived in St. Louis for more than 20 years, longer than anywhere else, and busily wrote short stories and plays that he submitted for contests or publication, often with disappointing results. Tennessee Williams's dramatic style is often described as a blend of poetic realism and expressionism, characterized by lyrical dialogue, rich symbolism, and complex characterizations. He masterfully combined heightened language with realistic settings and situations, exploring themes of human fragility, desire, and the struggle for survival. In poetic realism, expressionism, Williams infused his plays with poetic language and imagery, creating a heightened sense of reality that went beyond mere representation. Tennessee Williams' plays explore universal themes of desire, loneliness, and the human condition, often with a focus on the complexities of the Southern experience. He delves into the conflict between illusion and reality, the corrupting influence of power and wealth, and the struggle for identity and self-acceptance. His works are also characterized by lyrical language, emotional intensity, and the exploration of taboo subjects. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Follow for more.